sometimes you have to learn how to empathize when someone is going through something and learn how to be more so of a forgiving individual as opposed to taking it personally and holding grudges. Um, just know that, at the end of the day, it's okay to say that you are forgiven. You must be kind to each other. Think of the other person. Forgive other people just as God forgave you. And this is coming from Ephesians 4:32. God, friends sometimes hurt my feelings. Then I get sad and maybe even a little angry. I don't know what to do. I need your help to get rid of the bad feelings in my heart. It's so hard to forgive my friends when they do or say hurtful things. But I know you want me to show your love by being a forgiving person. Lord, you always forgive me when I make mistakes, even when I've done something terrible and horrific. And you still love me no matter what. You are such a good God.